One time, during dinner, I had a bad case of the hiccups. I was worried they might last forever. However, Parker taught me many ways to cure them, including standing on my head and singing, putting my fingers in my ears and hopping on one foot and drinking water from the wrong side of the glass. However, water spilled all over the floor. Lady Penelope was very cross and she made Parker clean up the mess as she led me to our room. Here, she told me that in order to get rid of hiccups, you have to focus on your mind on something else. So I lay down, closed my eyes, and rested for a little while. And voila! When I awoke minutes later, my hiccups were gone.